Well, hey there, friend. I am so excited that you have decided to join the free SVG community. I can't wait to see what you're going to make. I'm really excited for you. I wanted to just give you a big welcome hug to our community. If you've never purchased any of our courses before or even just been in our community as far as the blog and the freebies go. So I wanted to just welcome you, and then I wanted to show you how you will access your program so that you don't feel lost at all as far to how to get the information that you paid for. So when you are finished with your purchase, you will receive a thank you page that looks like this, and you will also be given some instructions to check your email and to join our Facebook group. When you check your email, you will see an email from me. It'll come from Abby Kirsten, so just look for that. Be sure to check your promo and spam folders because sometimes they end up there for whatever reason. When you open this email, you will see either one of two options. You will either see what is on my screen, which is if you have purchased any of our programs or enrolled in any of our free programs before, you might see something that says log back into your account like mine does here, log into your account. So if you are brand new to the community and my courses, as I suspect many of you are, then you will see a very similar email just like this, except it's going to say to set your password, and there'll be a link in there to set your password. So I'm going to click on log into my account, and it will direct you to a very similar place, except because I already have an account, it's just going to have me put in my info. If you do not yet have an account, then you'll just be setting up your password. So I'm going to go ahead and log into one of my test accounts here. This is exactly what you'll do as well anytime you want to log back in to your course platform. Okay, there we go. So it should drop you right onto your dashboard. Anytime you want to get back to where your courses are, then you'll just click on the My Dashboard at the very top. And you also have your account over here where you can update your email or password if you need to. And right here is our course for the SVG, and I apologize, the thumbnail is not appearing right now. We are troubleshooting that. I believe this is actually this is specific to my computer because I have not updated my Chrome browser yet, so I believe that is why that is happening. So you should see a thumbnail here on your course. You'll just hover over it and click on Start Course. And when you do that, it will load all of the course content for you. So this is where you want to come anytime you want to work on your course. And at the very top here, you will be welcomed to the program. We'll go through a little bit of housekeeping stuff, and then we'll jump into the units here, fundamentals and tracing images and all of those exciting things that I know you guys are anxious to get into. I encourage you to join our Facebook group as well as these other support Facebook groups that I have linked here, which are invaluable when helping you through this process. To navigate this course, you can hit complete and continue to move forward at the bottom of the screen. And you can also come over here to the left and you can click on any one of these lessons. So if you need to go back to refresh yourself on something, then just click on one of these lessons and you will be able to visit that particular lesson within that unit. You will also notice a search option right up here. So if you want to search by title of lessons, let's say you want to remember what the selection keys are for Inkscape, you could type that in and it will auto-populate any matching results for you. So that is how easy it is to navigate your course platform, and I can't wait to see what you guys are going to create. I am so excited for you. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.